Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to install Zoom on Mac. You can do same process on Windows or Linux operating system and how to log in or how to sign up. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab in Google and type here ZOOM Zoom for Mac or Zoom for Linux or Zoom for Windows. So first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. Click here. So here in this page, look at this here, Zoom client for meeting, download, and Microsoft Outlook add-on. You can add the Zoom application on your Microsoft Outlook if you are not using Microsoft Teams. So you can very easily add on or add Zoom on Microsoft Outlook. We will download first of all this one. It's very small application. After finish the download, you just simply click twice and follow my instruction for the installation. Type here your username, password. Wait couple of seconds. Installation is done. Close, move to trash, and Zoom is automatically open here. So here two options are come: join a meeting. If you are just only install and your meeting going on or your class going on, you can very easily join here, adding meeting ID and then very easily join. Otherwise we will sign up here or sign in point of view. You just simply select your email address, open Zoom application, connect a new meeting, join meeting, schedule meeting or share screen. It's very amazing tool for the interview, online classes and some other activities. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.